Hi guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video I'll be going through this problem in SPOJ named with the SPOJ code OLOLO, and Onotole needs your help. So the problem is about, in brief, you can go with this go with this I don't know what it is, but it's just a bit of like something interesting you might find. But if you talk about programming point of view, it's simply like you will be asked to input like a number n that represents the number of Pyanis. I don't know what Pyanis are, but you would be asked to input a number n that would have this constraint n less than equal to 500,000, and then the next n lines will contain a single positive integer ranging from 1 to 10 की power 9. One ranging from 1 to 10 to the power 9, and so it's like input would be like 3. This is our n, that is the number of Pyanis, and then the value of those Pyanis. Now these Pyanis are identified by their number. So like if you have a Pyani numbered 1, this is a Pyani numbered 1, and this is also another Pyani numbered 1, that means these Pyanis are exactly same, they are indistinguishable. And there is another Pyani named 8. So with this text written here, it has been told to us that we, out of these Pyanis identifiable by their values like 1, 8 and 1, you have 3 Pyanis in this sample input case. So out of these 3 Pyanis, only 1 Pyani would be unique. That means only 1 Pyani would be unique. All other Pyanis will be occurring in pairs. That means out of these 3 Pyanis, we have these 2 Pyanis which are numbered 1, and there is only a single Pyani numbered 8. So this is our unique Pyani. So in the same way, you will have some n Pyanis, and so you will have some n values, and your code has to find that unique Pyani. So there will be only a single unique Pyani. All other Pyanis would be occurring in pairs. There they would have their duplicate. So like in this sample case, we have 3 Pyanis represented by this number 3, and these 3 Pyanis have these different values. So to find the unique Pyani, that means the Pyani which occurs only once. So this one Pyani numbered 1 occurs twice, like 1 here and here, but this Pyani occurs only once. So this is our Pyani that we need to output. So this is our output. Now to solve this problem, it's just like you need to have a thing in your mind, like you have an array of integers. Like in the sample case, you have an array of integer array of size 3, and that array contains these values 1, 8 and 1. You need to find the value in the array that occurs only once, that occurs only one time. So like in this array, you have 1, 8 and 1, array of size 3 with values as 1, 8 and 1. In those 3 array indices, you have these values. So this value 8 occurs only once, so this would be our output. So to solve this problem, you need to have knowledge about what's known as a bitwise XOR operator, XOR represent. So this XOR operator, you need to know some things about the XOR operator. So that is like, and this XOR operator is represented by the symbol something like this I've highlighted. So yeah, something like this exponent symbol. This is my XOR operator symbol. So you have this bitwise XOR operator. Now you have to know these 3 things about the bitwise XOR operator, and you'll definitely get an idea about how to solve this problem. So XOR of a number with itself is 0. So it's like there is a number a, and if you do XOR of number with itself, it would be 0. Second, we have XOR of a number with 0 is number itself. So we have a number A, its XOR with 0, or you can write it this way, is the number itself. That is, XOR of number with 0 is the number itself. And further you need to understand one thing also, that this XOR operation is associative and commutative. So if you are doing XOR of like these multiple numbers, these numbers, so you can do the XOR operation in this order or in this way. Answer would be same. So like you have 1 XOR 1, you can arrange this XOR operation in this way. So you know that 1 XOR 1, that means the XOR of a number with itself is 0. You can look at the first point, XOR of a number with itself is 0, so this goes 0. Similarly this and this and this, they go 0, and 8 remains as it is. Now 0 with 0 is 0, XOR of 0 with 0 is 0, and this way 0, so you'll be left with like 0 XOR 8. So, and then XOR of a number with 0 is number itself, so that would give us the answer 8. So now you can get a hint about the problem, how to solve this array problem. You have how to solve this problem. You can maintain an array. You can have an array with all the values of those pyanies, and then what you can do is you can perform a XOR operation on all the values in that array which contains the pyanies. So finally you will be left only with the number in the array which occurs only once, like it has happened in this example. So this would be your hint, and I think the hint is like way too much, and you will be definitely able to solve this problem. But one problem you will encounter in this case is that, and you should know that in this case you will get an error of TLE, that is time limit exceeded on SPOJ. So people who are following SPOJ, who are doing SPOJ, you need to know one thing in this problem, that in competitive programming it is important to use the fast input output so we can save valuable time. So to avoid this TLE error, time limit exceeded error, you need to use this code, iOS_base sync with stdio false. By default it's true, so you need to set this thing to false. So you need to place this code before your first input. Before you write your first cin statement, you need to place this code, and after this code you need to place this code, and after putting this code and this code, you can start taking inputs fast, and your code will get accepted, and you will not have any problem like time limit exceeded or something like that. I hope this problem is clear to you. In the description I'm linking the code that has worked for me. You can go to my GitHub repository and have a look at what I have a look at my code and get a hint, or you can understand the code and know how to do this problem, how to get your code accepted. So I think you understand what I have explained, and if you have any doubts or any something, a suggestion you would like to give regarding this problem, they are most welcome, and you can write them down in the comments. Your comments are valuable. So I hope you understand this problem. You can go to this problem SPOJ and do this problem. I hope you understand it. Bye for now. See you soon with another video.